Hi, I'm going to make the chicken masala today. I have 14 ounce of chicken, 5 ounce of onion, half ounce of cilantro, and about 2 tablespoons of butter for stir fry that. And for the seasoning the chicken, I'm using 1 tablespoon masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. I have 1/4 cup of plain yogurt, and I'm going to put all the seasoning in the chicken first, okay? And mix. And I put the ginger and the garlic in it, and the yogurt in it. Then I'm going to be light up in the bake pan. I'm going to put it in the oven. Okay, I'm going to, for some reason, my little oven have to be 450, but at your house, at the regular oven would be 350. So I turn it on, turn it to the boil, so turn for 15 minutes. And also the chicken supposed to leave it overnight or 1 hour at least. But I'm going to show you the cooking, so I just do it like that. Okay, for 15 minutes we have to wait. Okay, for the sauce, I use 1.5 tablespoons of masala, the gram masala, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. And also I use a half cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons of puree, and 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger. Okay, this is already 15 minutes, so I'm going to remove it. Oh, steam. There you go. It's good. Okay, then I'm going to cook the sauce right now. I turn on about the medium heat. Then I put some butter in it. Then I'm going to put some onion in it. And I put all the seasoning in it. Then I put the garlic and the ginger. Then I put the tomato sauce in it. And the puree. And turn on low heat. Then I'm going to put all the chicken in it. I'm going to cover for a minute. Looks good to me. Then I'm going to put the heavy cream in it. Then I'm going to put the cilantro in it. This is all done. I'm going to remove it. Then I put cilantro on top of it. This is all done. That's how I make today the chicken masala.